Today's energy shifting symbol is a container of bubble mixture with a little plastic stick so that you can blow bubbles. And in this energy shifting symbol, Spirit is showing that each time you pull out the stick and you blow on it to create bubbles, nothing is happening. And the reason why is because Spirit is saying that your soap bubble liquid mixture is too watered down with seriousness. So Spirit is saying it's time to let go of all of that seriousness and add in playful, amusing laughter that's high energy, high fun. Because life is really serious, and it's time that we create our own laughter, and maybe even go out to the store and get yourself your own container of bubbles. So let yourself have fun. I want to read in the comments section what kind of fun you're letting yourself have right now, and I look forward to seeing you on the next energy shifting symbol of the day.